Hi children, today we learn the be verbs. What are all the be verbs? Am, is, are, was, were. So before that you want to get clear with the rules. First you want to read the question carefully and then you want to find out whether it is singular or plural. If it is singular means the only one. Plural means more than one. So, second step, you want to find out whether the pronoun is singular or plural. The third, you want to find out whether it is present or past. I think we all knew the action for the present tense, isn't it? So, I want everybody should do the action for the present tense. And please do the action for the past tense. Yeah, past tense means that action is already completed. நடந்து முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. Present tense, that action is happening now. So we learn the pronoun. He, she, it. He means only one. He, she, it means singular. You, we, they. That is plural. So listen here. Listen here. He means it is singular. We na plural. You plural. They plural. So I've divided into two. So first what you want to do? You want to read the question carefully. And the second, you want to find out whether it is singular or plural. The third, you want to find out tense. That means present or past ஆனு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So first I'm reading the sentence. He is a man. He is a man. So first, second, what we want to find out. It is singular or plural ஆனு we கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். We want to find out. He அப்போ இது singular. Is வந்திருக்கு. So it is present. So am, is, are, it is used in the present. Was, were, it is used in the past. So today means present. Yesterday, that is past. Action is already completed. I am a man. I am a man. I am a man. So today I am a man. Yesterday yesterday means the action is already completed. Past. I was a boy. I was a boy. So this is a tree. This is a tree. So this was a sapling. This was a sapling. So this is present, this is past. This is present, this is past. Are, it is changed into were in the past. Is changed into the was. So only we are changing the be verbs. ஒரு present எப்படி pastல மாற்றலாம்? Just we can change the be verbs. So is, it is changed into was. Pastல was மாறிது. Are, it is changed into were. So after I we want to use am in the present tense. After I, here in the past we want to use was. He is a man. So it is present. He was a boy. It is past. Listen here. He, she, it. It is singular. We, you, they. These, those. These are all plural. These are all plural pronoun. What does mean by pronoun? Instead of name, we can use the pronouns. For example, Riya is a good girl. So I'm taking the name out Riya and I'm telling she is a good girl. So instead of name, ஒரு நேம்க்கு பதிலா நம்ம pronoun use பண்ணலாம். So listen here. The cat dash fast asleep. Here there is only one cat. So here we are using is. The cat is fast asleep. இங்க ஒரே ஒரு cat இருக்கனால நம்ம is use பண்றோம். These mangoes dash sweet. So what I told, first you want to read the question and the second you want to find out whether it is singular or plural. Mangoes. So it is plural. So it is we are using are. It is singular இருக்கனால we are using is. Here it is plural. So here we are using are. Here we are using are. we dash a small family. We வந்து plural, ஒருத்தங்களை விட ஜாஸ்தி, more than one. So here we are using are. Here we are using are. So if it comes in past, what we want to do? So how you will find out the past tense? Today means it is present. Yesterday na நேத்துக்கே நடந்து முடிஞ்சிச்சு. The action is already completed. So it is past. I'll give you the clue to find out the present and past. Today, இப்போ. அப்போ the present. Now, that is also happening now. இப்போ. So that is also present. Yesterday means past. Then 2 days ago. 2 days ago na நடந்து முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. 2 நாள் முன்னாடி, ago. So it is past. The action is already completed. Ago. Listen here, there are 3 rules you want to follow. First, what you want to do? You want to read the question carefully. Sita dash absent from class today. Sita. So what I told, we want to read the question. இப்போ படிச்சாச்சு question. Next என்ன பண்ணணும்? You want to find out this noun. இந்த noun singular plural கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Sita, she is only one girl. So it is singular. அப்போ singular வந்தா என்னது? Singular. அப்போ singular வந்தா am, is தான் வரும். Plural வந்தா are. Plural வந்தா are. If it is plural means we want to use are. So if it is in the past, அதே pastலனா, if it is in the past na, it will be changed into was. அதே plural, if it is past means it will be changed into were. It will be changed into were. You can see the example. This is a tree. This is a tree. This is a tree. It is present. How will change into the past? This was a sapling. This was a small sapling. This was a sapling. So here is changed into was. Are, it is changed into were. Am is changed into was. So today means present. Yesterday means past. So I'll once again will revise. There are 3 steps to find out the answer. So first we want to read the sentence carefully. Sita. Here what I'm telling, Sita is only one girl. So we are writing is. So இது நம்ம சிங்குலர்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். What is the third step? We want to find out present பாஸ்டான்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Today, அப்போ present. அப்போ am, is, are. இந்த மூணுல தான் ஏதாவது வரும். So here we are writing is. If it is yesterday, she dash not feeling well. Yesterday means it is past. So here we are writing was. Because she also, it is singular. Only one girl. She na ஒரே ஒருத்தங்க தானே. So here we are writing was. So if it is present, there is only 3. Am, is, are. If it is past, was, were. So first what you want to do? You want to read the question carefully. And the second, you want to find out whether it is singular or plural. He singular, we plural, you plural, they plural. So you want to find out that. And third, you want to find out whether it is present or past. How we will find out whether it is past? Yesterday, 2 days ago, last month, pona month, last month, last year. So these are all past. So he is a man. So in the past it is changed into the was. We are men. In the past it is changed into the we were boys. So there are 3 rules. First, you want to know what are all the be verbs. Am, is, are, was, were. There are 5 be verbs. there are 5 be verbs are there, and then you want to find out whether it is singular or plural, whether these are all singular or plural, and you want to find out. And the third, you want to find out whether it is present or past. last month நடந்து முடிஞ்சது, அப்போ இது ரெண்டுத்துல தான் ஏதோ ஒன்று வரும், was or were. For singular we'll use was, for plural we'll use where, for plural we'll use where. So it will be confusing, so please before answering to the question, first find out whether singular or plural, and then find out present or past, and then you can answer. If it is past, very easy, only for singular was, for plural were. In the present, for singular is, for plural are. After I we want to use am, in the past tense we want to use were. And there is one rule, after you we always want to use were in the past. After you in the present tense we want to use are. So children, it will be confusing, so please read the question carefully and find out whether it is singular or plural, and find out whether it is present or past, and then you can answer. Yesterday, 2 days ago, last year, last month, இதெல்லாம் நடந்து முடிஞ்சது. So these are all past. Thank you.